Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that I already have accomplished 1/6 of my 30 days challenge. This is day 6 and we still have 24 more days to enjoy mandalas every day. So if you want to stay connected, you can subscribe to my channel. Subscribe button looks like this. You can click it on and be a part of Not That Tough family. So without any further ado, let's get into today's video. Here are some patterns I drew these days. In case you like one or more of them and you want to draw them on your own, you can take a reference from my channel. All the videos are uploaded there. You can search the channel Not That Tough, or else I'll be sharing the links of the videos in the description box. I really enjoyed creating this particular pattern in my mandala. It gave the final outcome a very nice look. You should also try this pattern in your art. These are the pointed petals I am drawing in the second layer. This is actually the third layer in my mandala, but I am drawing it at the second place. Earlier I left the center part because I was little confused of what I would be filling in this circle. I may not be drawing the double line here, but later on I will. Here I am starting with my third layer, you can say fourth layer. Now I am starting with the third and outermost layer of this mandala pattern. I think this is less of mandala and more like a floral pattern, isn't it? completing my outermost layer of the mandala. This beautiful floral pattern. I am coming to the center now. Although I still haven't decided what I'll be doing in the center part, I'm just drawing 2 circles here. This is it for today, and see you in my next video. Clue time. Now you might be able to type the name of the movie and the song in comment box. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, hit the like button. This is just for free, and comment section is there for you to let me know your feedback, because this is the real motivation for a creator. Your likes and comments can keep me motivated for 25 more days. So what are you waiting for? Please pour some beautiful comments for me. Thank you. See you in my next video.